Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you, yeah, only want you love if it's silent.
Hi guys and welcome to my Joice hair review. They sent me their Light Yaki bundles, and when I tell you I loved these, the length of the bundles was 16 inches as I wanted it to be really natural, and the hairstylist I went for the install was Ren's Touch. She did a really nice braid down. It's very flat, very seamless, so I knew that I was in for a great install. Okay, so one bundle's in, guys. I look crazy, but don't worry, trust the process. Ren has a really good technique as I wanted the bundles to fall on my face. This is because I wanted some light layers to frame my face. So as I've been really into fitness recently and also trying to get my life together, I wanted a low maintenance hairstyle that just helped me on a day-to-day basis. Whether I want to wear a hat, whether I want to straighten it, curl it, it's just quick and easy. I really recommend you guys trying Light Yaki hair when you want to do these type of hairstyles, as it matches your natural hair texture way better. Another plus is that you don't have to straighten your natural hair as much because it blends. So if you're scared of heat damage, definitely try a more kinkier texture when you want to do a leave out.
Hit me back, check. Surrender to your questions asked. Check. They chatting, they chat. When the sun go down, everything made me feel lonely. Had lost that thing, but right now it's just a hole. Try to look good, it's hard enough, no one to hold.
She also used a net cap on my hair. This is not something I'm used to. I do feel like I prefer it. I think it prevents less itching and irritation. If you've got sensitive scalp, I would say get a net cap first before you do your weave.
Just hung up the phone at night. Could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time. Me, 'cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me. No. Say I'm so crazy, baby. I'm so crazy. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys.
So I recommend you guys using a really good heat protector. I use Amika. I love their hairline. I use their moisture treatments and also their leave-in products. So she used their anti-humidifying spray. This was so good. I really found that it helped my hair stay straight for longer. So I'm trying to retain length, so I need to make sure that I go to the correct hairstylist that uses products that are going to help me aid that, and she's definitely that person for me. There's no point doing all that hard work and then just to getting your hair burnt by somebody else. That is so heartbreaking. I've been seeing a lot of girls getting their hair damaged by hairstylists, so it's very important to do your research before going to anybody. Can you see the way the bundles from Joice hair blends with my hair already? I recently texturized my hair, so I found that these Light Yaki bundles match really well. I didn't want to get a full Yaki as it would be too coarse. As my hair still has a curl pattern to it, these bundles were perfect.
They said you got high as the sky, up all night just dancing. Oh, I hit you like, please come home to me. Come home to me.
Here we were deciding how high I wanted the layers. I didn't want too much. I just wanted it just to frame my face a bit.
You're not understanding. No, don't make me beg, make me plead. Wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. I just figured you could make time for me. Said you come here home intoxicated. Oh, yeah. I wanted you to raise my mind.
So the look I was going for was really mature, grown and sexy vibes. So she used a large barrel curler and this turned out so great. She definitely understood the assignment. When I started nodding, that's when I was like, yeah, this is it. Look at me. I was already loving it.
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. It's chalky, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go.
I love edges, so I made sure that she did a little bit at the front, just so that when the wind blows, you have a little bit of a little sweep, you know.
You try to act like it's just me, but I'm not alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking, girl. Say my name, you acting kinda straight ahead. Baby, you wanna say, say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, and no one is around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. 'Cause those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and not coming home and start some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me scream, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you.
Yeah, that's how I wanted it. Yeah, I wanted it light, you know, airy. So here we're deciding if he wanted it more in my face, and she did this by using clips to mold and hold the hair in place. But guys, I love my hair. Overall, I'm really happy with these bundles from Joice Hair. They're amazing quality and it also blends perfectly with natural hair. So I would recommend you guys try it. So if you're looking for good quality bundles that are also affordable, make sure you check out Joice Hair. Their hair quality will not disappoint. So ladies, let me know if there's any other hairstyles you want me to try. Also, my birthday is coming up soon, so I want to try some new things and have some new looks for you guys.
I know more. I know more. Neither of us want to decide no more. Got alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. And no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking, girl. Say my name. Say my name. You acting kinda straight ahead.
Thank you guys for watching this hair install video and review. I hope you guys loved it. Please like, subscribe and share. I love you guys. Bye.